Two phones, one crown. Google's Pixel 9a is coming to dethrone Apple's iPhone 16e in the mid-range game. Better camera, smarter AI, cheaper price. The internet's buzzing, and we're settling it today. Let's dive in. Hey Gadget Gang, the Pixel 9a is dropping soon and it's ready to slug it out with the iPhone 16e. So, which budget beast wins? Let's break it down. First up, your wallet. The Pixel 9a is slated for $499, $100 less than the iPhone 16e's $599. Ex-users are screaming value, and they're not wrong. Google's packing a 6.3-inch 120Hz OLED that smokes the iPhone 6.1-inch 60Hz screen. Smoother scrolling, brighter vibes at 2700 nits versus 1200 nits. As Pixel's keeping costs low without skimping. Apple fans argue ecosystem perks, but that price gap, wow. Cameras next. The Pixel 9a is rumored to rock a 48-megapixel main and 13-megapixel ultra-wide dual lens, flexing over the iPhone 16e's lone 48-megapixel shooter. X-posts rave about Google's photo AI. Think sharper night shots and macro magic. Apple's single lens leans on software tricks for 2x zoom, but no ultra-wide. That's a miss for landscape lovers. Pixel's computational edge, history says Google's Pop. AI's the buzzword. Pixel 9a's Tensor G4 and Gemini promise next-level smarts, circle to search, photo editing wizardry, all on a budget. X is hyped for its seamless integration. iPhone 16e's A18 chip flexes raw power. Gaming is a breeze, but Apple Intelligence still half-baked with Siri upgrades delayed. It's noted that Pixel's AI feels ready now, while Apple's playing catch-up. Battery? Pixel's 5100 mAh could outlast iPhone's 26-hour claim. Stay tuned for tests. So who's king? Pixel 9a's cheaper, flashier, and AI-packed. Perfect for Android rebels. iPhone 16e's got polish and power, but that price stings. Mid-range domination's up for grabs. Pixel's got the edge on paper, but iPhone loyalists won't budge. Launches April. Expect fireworks. What's your pick? Pixel 9a or iPhone 16e? Drop your vote in the comments.